Good morning, my dear students. I think you all are okay because we are passing very critical times, that is corona times. It is a pandemic situation. So stay home, stay safe, and follow my English class that has given our government for your assignment. So today my topic is river gypsies in Bangladesh. River gypsies in Bangladesh. I think you all know who are river gypsies. I think you all know who are river gypsies. River gypsies, a kind of nomadic people, those who roam, those who move one place to another. They use boat as their house and as their house and business purposes. Now take your textbook. English for today and open page at 7:4. Open page at 7:4. River gypsies in Bangladesh. We can see many sites here. All are boats and all are the house of river gypsy. In dry season, gypsy families go to the land and make a house of tent, tarpaulin, a kind of thick cloths that is waterproof. This is the house of river gypsies, and these are their boat. River gypsies are ethnic people. Ethnic মানে নির্দিষ্ট বা উপজাতীয় ethnic people of Bangladesh. এখানে দেখো, এখানে আমরা এই টপিকস থেকে কিছু নিউ ওয়ার্ড পেয়েছি, that is keyword or new word, such as gypsy. Gypsy means bathing, a number of a race of people. তারপরে দেখো lifestyle, the way of life, জীবন চলার উপায়, the way of life. nomadic, যাযাবর, nomadic মানে যাযাবর, a wandering tribe, যারা ঘুরে ঘুরে বেড়ায়। তারপরে দেখো ethnic, নৃতাত্ত্বিক, বাংলা মানে হচ্ছে নৃতাত্ত্বিক, of human race pagan, ethnic, toddlers, শিশুরা, toddlers means শিশুরা, children, Bengals, চুরি অথবা বালা, anklet, English এর synonym Bengals মানে anklet, remedy, আরোগ্য লাভ করা, কিওর, remedy মানে আরোগ্য লাভ করা, কিওর, roam মানে ঘুরে বেড়ানো, moves from one place to another, that is a say roam. I think all new words are clear now to you, so be attentive and follow my class very carefully. It will help you to make your assignment and solve the government topics that has given for you. There are some questions. River gypsies in Bangladesh. Such as, who are river gypsies? কারা এই বেদে? in the boat by catching fish, selling bangles, and play with snakes and show them to people. They are river gypsies. How do they live? They do not live in one place. They do not live in one place. Always they roams from place to place. তারা বিভিন্ন জায়গায় ঘুরে ঘুরে বসবাস করে। They have no own lands. They have no own lands. They live by catching fish, selling bangles, cosmetics, and other things. What do river gypsies do in winter? শীতকালে বেচারা কি করে? When dry season comes, that is winter, in winter, river gypsies go to the land and make a house with a tent and they live there. What do river gypsy women do for living? বেদেনিরা কি করে? বেদেনিরা women of river gypsies sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things, moving from door to door. I think you are clear of these questions too. Here there is another pictures. Look at the book, page number 77. We see here different kinds of boats and some students are coming and sitting on the boats. This scenery is a site of boat school. This is a boat school. Sitting on the boats, students learn their education. We can see here a boat school. So today our another assignment, a boat school. No car school. Some people in our country, we see this kind of school. It is, the number of this school is very few. Now government has given you a assignment how we can help river gypsy children for their education. Imagine there is a boat school in your area. So how you can help gypsy children in education? So I have written a paragraph just like me. আমার মতো আমি একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখেছি। You will follow this paragraph. Now I shall understand it to you, but you do not copy it. You will write another paragraph, just like a board school. There you will write another new sentences, another direction, another words that will be very good. To you. I want to see your writings. I think you will overcome me of your writings. আমার থেকে তোমাদের লেখা যেন ভালো হয় সেভাবে তোমরা লিখবে। এখন শেখো a boat school. I have written লিখেছি। Now I am going to read out and trying to understand you. It is very simple and easy. If you be attentive, you will do it. You will write it. I think. River gypsies are active people in Bangladesh. River gypsy বেদেরা আমাদের দেশে নৃতাত্ত্বিক মানে ক্ষুদ্র জনগোষ্ঠীর লোক। Who travel from one place to another. যারা এক স্থান থেকে অন্য স্থানে ঘুরে বেড়ায়। Those who move from one place to another. They use boats to roam in the river. তারা সাধারণত নদীতে নৌকা নিয়ে ঘুরে বেড়ায়। Local people call them বেদে। স্থানীয় লোকরা তাদেরকে বেদে বলে। They are part of our history and culture. এরা কিন্তু আমাদের ইতিহাস এবং সাংস্কৃতিক ঐতিহ্য। Their main vehicle, তাদের মেইন প্রধান যানবাহন ট্রান্সপোর্ট ইজ বোট। নৌকায় তাদের সবকিছু। There is a boat school. There is a boat school in our area. আমাদের এলাকায় একটি বোট স্কুল আছে। আমাদের এলাকায় একটি বোট স্কুল আছে। It is a special kind of school. এটা বিশেষ একটি স্কুল। It is a special kind of school. Sitting on the boat, নৌকায় বসে, gypsy children learn their education. বেদের ছেলেমেয়েরা সেখানে শিক্ষা গ্রহণ করে। Usually, সচরাচর it is seen in the river area. সচরাচর এটা নদী মাতৃক এলাকায় দেখা যায় বা জলাশয়, ডোবা, বিভিন্ন যেখানে পানি বেশি সেই এলাকায় এই স্কুলটা দেখা যায়। We have made a plan to teach the gypsy children. আমরা একটা পরিকল্পনা নিয়েছি এই gypsy childrenদের লেখাপড়ার জন্য। It is a matter of sorrow. বড়ই দুঃখের বিষয় that gypsy babies do not get proper education. এই বেদেদের ছেলেমেয়েরা উপযুক্ত শিক্ষা পায় না। Actually, প্রকৃতপক্ষে we have made a plan. প্রকৃতপক্ষে actually they are deprived of the basic rights of education. শিক্ষার মৌলিক দিকগুলো থেকে তারা বঞ্চিত। deprived of মানে বঞ্চিত। First we go to river gypsy family. প্রথমে আমরা এই বেদে পরিবারে যাব and advise them, তাদেরকে উপদেশ দিব to bring their children, তাদের ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে আনতে to the boat school, এই নৌকার স্কুলে। If they bring their children to the school, that their children will be educated. They will get the light of education. They will be successful. They will get better lives, etc. তাহলে কি হলো? First we go to river gypsy family and advise them to bring their children to the boat school. We give them textbook free. আমরা সরকারি বইগুলো সব ফ্রি দিয়ে দিব। Then we teach them, তারপর আমরা শিক্ষা দেব, we teach them English, mathematics and other important subject. ইংরেজি, গণিত এবং অন্যান্য গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়গুলি। We can take our laptop to show them. আমরা ল্যাপটপ নিয়ে যেতে পারি তাদের দেখানোর জন্য what technology can do. টেকনোলজি কি করতে পারে। Nowadays, without technology, we can't do anything. Technology changes our lifestyle, changes our work condition. It also changes everything in our life. It has changed a revolutionary what? দেখো, then it is the English, mathematics and other important subjects. We can take our laptops to show them what technology can give them, though I am not written here, we also give them tiffin because they are poor. We also give them tiffin because they are poor. We also teach them about morality. আমরা নৈতিকতার শিক্ষা দেব তাদেরকে, and humanity, মানবতার শিক্ষা দেব। নৈতিকতা বোধ এবং মানবতার শিক্ষা তাদেরকে দিব। Thus, gypsy children get chance of education. এভাবে তারা শিক্ষার আলো পাবে। They may need our help. They may need our help. তাদের আমাদের সাহায্যের দরকার হতে পারে। As a conscious citizen, সচেতন নাগরিক হিসেবে we cannot but help them. আমরা তাদেরকে সাহায্য না করতে পারি না। In teaching, শিক্ষার ক্ষেত্রে, for better life, তাদের ভালো জীবনের জন্য, and society, ভালো সমাজ গড়ার জন্য। ভালো সমাজ গড়ার জন্য। If we help them a little, they will be successful, they will be educated. We need educated society. We need successful society. Our government is already started mobile board school for education. এই ইউনিভার্সিটি ছেলেমেয়েদের জন্য আমাদের সরকার মোবাইল ঘুরে ঘুরে বেড়াবে এমন স্কুল, মোবাইল বোর্ড স্কুল চালু করেছে। এন্ড মোবাইল হসপিটাল ফর দেয়ার ট্রিটমেন্ট, এবং এই বেডে ছেলেমেয়েদের চিকিৎসার জন্য মোবাইল হসপিটাল চালু করছে লঞ্চে করে। This type of hospital we can see in the river, in the big river area. Now they will get light of education. Now they will get light of education. Slowly they will improve. And enjoy better lives and other things. They will be able to understand what is good and what is bad. If they are illiterate, they can't realize what is better life, what is education, what is computer education, what is technology. They can't understand. But if they are educated, then they will be able to understand what is good or what is bad. My dear students, I think it is clear to you. It is all clear to you. Now you must wear mask for this situation. We passing very hard situation, that is corona time. This corona has already snatched away many lives of our country, not only our country but also in the world. So we must aware about this disease. We always try to save ourselves. Where we go, we must wear mask. We must wash our hands for 20 seconds with soap or hand wash. So this is our topics. I think all of you are clear. If you need any help, anytime, you will phone me, you will call me, I shall solve your problem, English problem. So, I am going to close my class here. It will be very helpful by my learners. Thanks, all of you.